you'll forgive the big music opening. This is a TVR Chimaera 450. It's the genuine 450. Engine rebuilt at 57,000 miles. 5 litre piston rings and the genuine TVR 885 camshaft. It's a beast. This is KT's car. The water meter reader came round a couple of months ago. The car had to be taken out of the garage. It starts first time every time, this motor. Then it was put back in the garage, and unfortunately the battery wasn't disconnected, so the immobiliser drained the battery. Since then it won't start. So that's the job. Find out what the problem is. And for that we need a multimeter and a hammer. I guess the first thing is to check the fuses, and the fuse box and relays are down in the passenger footwell. Let battle commence.
Round 1. Fight!
Now we clear the footwell, we can see the fuse box and the relays. DPD have just turned up with 2 new relays. One for the fuel pump, one for the ECU. Both needed to be working correctly. Had to get the fuel pump to prime, on ignition on. Well, instead of messing about with the hammer and the multimeter, now the relays have arrived, I'm just going to change them both out and see where we get from there. Fight over. Captain 01 TVR. Now what do you do with a V8 TVR that's alive and throbbing?
Woohoo! Thank you, Parker.
You're welcome, my lady. You could go to Sainsbury's and do the weekly shop. Boring. You could sit in front of the TV and watch Richard Hammond talk about Rover V8 engines.
Is an icon. It started out as an unloved orphan, but in its 37-year life it has been in quite a few different cars. It first appeared in the Rover P5. Then the Rover...
God, that's boring. Wait a minute, I've got an idea. You could do this. Didn't quite master that. You didn't quite master that. Congleton roundabout's not quite ready for you yet.
On the way home,
Fair enough.
I'll nail it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Enjoy that.
Yeah.
I think you lost a bit of time because I heard the tyre go bang.
Yeah, bang the tyre.
Right, now we've got the skills. Let's go. Tea and cake. What? I didn't really expect to see us drift in a TVR. Public roads, did you? That would be evidence in the eyes of the law.